if anybody is not passing, I mean that the result is not in your favor. So I'll call those people. They will also guide you like on that cases, like how you can approach to the off-campus drive and all. And we generally provide the same, the link, like where you have to apply, when there will be off campus in the same group. Like we have the ideathon, Nedagar group, like in WhatsApp group we have created. So whatever communication that will be going to happen in the future from the Cisco side, related to your ideathon, related to your off campus, everything will communicate you on the group. So you don't leave the group. I will recommend you, even your course will be completed, but your dream is to be in the Cisco, right? So in future, in coming months or coming years, whatever opportunity that will be coming from the Cisco side, so I will be passing you all the information. So you need to be there and need to follow the instructions. Definitely, you'll get multiple opportunity and all. It's not like only this. The Ideathon is the last hope. Afterwards, 6 months, then another way is also there to enter to the Cisco. Like the third way is that if you'll pass the CCNA exam, CCNA 1, 2, and 3. Okay, passing exam means like global exam, right? Then they will, in these conditions, you can directly approach to the, Cisco through the Naukri.com, right site, where you'll upload that CV. And there you can also, there is some HRs, they look for the CCNA certified candidates. So on there, like if you upload your CV on the Naukri.com, they also reach to those companies. Okay, and accordingly they will forward your CVs, and there will be an back end communications, and maybe you'll get directly a call, maybe directly interview round from the Cisco side. Because a few years ago, like when I was taking the session for Tech Mahindra IMS Academy, and there was also a course like a CCNA course, and my student that time there was no Meta card membership with the KIT University earlier, when I was leading the Tech Mahindra Academy in the KIT at that time. So me and Devarshi Madam and Kas Khan sir were there, and few more faculties were there from the Tech Mahindra side. So at that time, like some student from the KIT, they were not got placement in any of the company. Okay, and they joined at the end. They have qualify for the Tech Mahindra program, and then they have started practice for the 6 month. And some student, they passed the CCN exam as well. So what happened later on? After 2 months, they have. They were. They left the college, and then they have started looking for that. They were good in the networking, and some are good in the programming skill. So they start trying in some companies, and parallelly they have also uploaded their detail on the Fresher Word, Naukri.com and all. So they got a call from that, directly from the Cisco office, right? Because they have certified on the CCNA. So they were looking for the candidate, those who are certified in the CCNA three all units, like CCNA 1, 2, 3, and directly got a call. And that the name was, that guy's name was Pushpesh, and one more Rohit was there. Still, they are in touch with me. So they have given the interview. Directly technical interview happened, because they know that. The guys, those who are passing the CCN, they don't need like it to go for any online test, because CCNA itself exam is the biggest online test. Okay, so in this case, directly they have conducted their technical round, and then simple HR round were there, and their technique, their communication skill was also not good, because I know that like how they are speaking, like they are very poor in the communication skill, but technically they are very strong. So even in a HR round, they have not responded well, but still they got selected in Cisco. Still they are working the Cisco with the higher profile, and their package is more than around 35 to 40 lakhs around. 35 to 40 lakh definitely there, because 6 to 7 years ago they have joined to see the situation. So it's not the last hope. Like you have the lots of, you'll get lots of opportunity if you'll dedicate it for any areas. Now, it's not the things like it's a in one chance if you'll not get, and you'll lose the hope. It's not like that. Yet there are multiple directions are there to enter to that. There are multiple paths are there, but your goal is same. You can go through the different ways. You can reach to that your destinations. It's not only one path you'll follow, then only reach the destination. It's not like path can be different. Your goal is fixed, so you can go in any ways and you can reach to the top. Okay, so let's start with that. Our lab, third lab. Let
So,
me,
last question.
yeah.
So, what time is the CCNA exam held?
CCNA, like global exam, you're asking?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, for the global exam, I mean, whenever you will be ready, it depends upon your performance and all. Like, if you are ready with the CCNA one, because don't give all three exams. I'll suggest you, if anybody is interested, you can give one by one, like CCNA one, then take a break for at least 1 month to prepare for CCNA two, then another take one more months for CCNA 3, and like that way you can proceed. And that exam that decided by you, like there is a their platform I can share you someday. If anybody will interested, just you can ping me. I'll send you that like where you have to book the exam, the platform link, and there is just some charges and all. So like if you'll be interested and you're completing the course from the NetAcad, so I'll raise a ticket for you to release a 50% discount voucher from the Cisco side, so that only remaining 50% you have to pay, and you can book a slot whenever you will be comfortable. Like it's all depends upon your performance, and then accordingly you can give the exam. You can anytime you can give. Even the second year student also can give. First year student can also give. Anybody can give the exam. But the thing is just whether you have prepared or not, whether you are good, because that huge amount you need to be invested on this. Around 300, I think, dollar. Let me check. What is the current fee of the CCNA? Last time it was $300. Yeah, 300 USD. So the CCNA one is 300, CCNA two, all are having the same cost. CCNA 1 to 3, $300. So just think of it, $900, and out of $900, like I mean 900 by 2, $450 you will get from the Cisco. I mean after completion of this program, because you are an academic student, and if you complete the course, 450 dollar you will get it, and remaining $450 you have to pay, and you can appear for all three exams. You
So,
can
like this global exam is a separate exam, not the course exam you're talking about, right?
Yes, global exam is a separate exam. I mean, but it will be based on that what models you are completing on this, courses, na? Like CCNA one, what are the models you have completed, the labs and everything. That is, the exam will be based on those topic only, no out of that syllabus. So frame syllabus will be used
सर
in
जो
CCNA.
अभी हम लोग जो कंप्लीट करेंगे उसके बाद जो हमें वाउचर मिलेगा उसमें कोई टाइम लिमिट तो नहीं रहेगा ना कि 1 साल के अंदर
नहीं, एक
कंप्लीट।
साल के, हाँ रहता है ना, टाइम एक्सपायरी डेट रहेगा। जब तुम बोलोगे तो वाउचर उसी डेट से रिलीज होगा, तुम्हारा कोर्स कंप्लीट होगा उसके बाद। तो उसके बाद तुम्हारा वो लोग का एक्सपायरी डेट होता है वाउचर का, हर वाउचर का एक्सपायरी डेट रहता है। उसके अंदर आपको डिसाइड करके एग्जाम देना है। लेकिन अगर नहीं दोगे एग्जाम तो उससे क्या होता है, कुछ कुछ बच्चे ऐसे भी हैं, हम लोग इसीलिए बहुत जो बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा सिंसियर है, उनका परफॉर्मेंस वगैरह देख के फिर वाउचर के लिए रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं सिस्को टीम को। बिकॉज मैंने देखा है कि बहुत सारे ऐसे बच्चे हैं कि बोल देंगे वाउचर सर रिलीज करा दीजिए, मेरे को देना है, और फिर पता चलता है कि वो एग्जाम दिए ही नहीं। अब फिर बाद में सिस्को हम लोगों को फायर करता है कि ये वाउचर इतना एक्सपायर कर गया आपके कॉलेज यूनिवर्सिटी का, और इतना वेस्ट हुआ हमारा, ऐसे ऐसे करके मेल डालते हैं लोग। इसीलिए अभी से हम लोग पॉलिसी को चेंज किए कि आपको अगर देना है, एश्योर करो, रिटर्न लिख के दो हमें कि हमें देना ही है, और डेडलाइन बताओ कि कितने दिन के अंदर में दोगे। अगर नहीं दोगे तो फिर तुम्हारे ऊपर इधर से यूनिवर्सिटी फाइन कर देगा। इसलिए एश्योर होके करो, नहीं तो उससे हमारा रिपुटेशन खराब होता है ना, यूनिवर्सिटी का किसी कॉर्पोरेट के साथ रिलेशनशिप है, so we will lose our relationship, na, if we'll do like that. Like same thing happened on AWS. Like now what they did it, they have changed totally, they have changed the policies. Like last few years, I'm the me and the Devashri madam are certified instructor of PWS, and they are what they are doing it. I mean, they are looking for the candidates, those who are completing the course, and they can go for the global exam on the cloud platform, on AWS platform. And what the students are doing, we are releasing the voucher for them. They are not giving the exam. They are telling that, okay, we will give, sir, we will give. Earlier, they have requested so many times, and then when they release the voucher, then they are not giving. So now what they did it, they changed the policy. They are not releasing the voucher. First, you have to pay the 50% amount, then they will disclose the remaining 50% voucher. Now they have changed the policies. I mean, earlier they will not give the 50% discount. First, you have to pay, and then remaining 50% automatically your name will be there, and from their database they will check it accordingly, and they will waive off the remaining 50%. And this policy, I think, after few years, like I think Cisco will also start following this. Till the time it's not following this type of policy, but I hope in future they will also do the same thing, because unnecessary, why they will waste the amount for the candidate those who are not appearing exam. It's a huge amount, right? $150 is like, if you convert in Indian rupees, how much?
22,000.
Sir, some around 12,000.
12,750. Yeah, so I mean, it's a huge amount, no? 12,000, and then again 12,000 plus, let it be 13,000 for 150 and 150 another. I mean, 26,000 plus. Just think of it. 26,000 rupees for you only for the CCNA one, and out of 26,000, I mean, 13,000 around 2,750 is around 13,000 you are getting in free of cost. So it's a huge one, and 13,000 into 3 just multiply, because CCNA is only about, we are talking about CCNA 1. So there are 3 units. So let it be 39, I mean around 40,000. So 40,000, if any company is giving you discount, so it has some reason, right? So for 40,000, another 40,000 you are just paying it. So in 80,000, just 40,000 they have released a coupon, but you are not using it. There is wastage totally.
Sir, what is the usually expiry time of a voucher?
And see, the time when they will release, na, so they give around 12 months. In between, you have to give the exam. But we don't go for the 12 months. Within 1 month, we push the student to give the exam. Why? Because you will forget the things. If you procrastinate, like we will give letter like that way, then you will forget the things, and definitely you will fail the exam. Like the same thing happening on the service now. We are also guiding, I think some students are there from the service now in this batch as well. They know that what is going on. So in service now, some students are passing exams, some students, we are also providing the 100% voucher in the service now. Who is there from the service now? Can you raise your hand? Raise your hand, those are from the service now. Yeah, see, some people are there. Are now, who is raising hand? Okay, Sumit is there, Rishi is there, Advik. Yeah, so they know the things what is going on. So they are getting the 100%. They are very lucky. I mean, but some are passing the exams, some are getting failed. So all 100% amount gone. So now they are charging to our university. I mean, they are they are very much angry on us. Like, your student are not good. I mean, some are only some student has passed, like around 100, 10 plus student passed the CSA. But still, I mean, some people are going to give the exam. I mean, not all students, those who are enrolled for the program, they have given the exam. I mean, around 50% only they have given the exams. Remaining 50% are left, so they are supposed to give the exam. So their deadline we have given, and then accordingly they are prepared. I mean, the same thing is happening in the multiple corporate nowadays. You know that, it's a hiring is totally a skill based. Why the company has first providing the training, then they are going for the placement nowadays. Earlier, what was happening, only mass recruiter and the companies that they are looking for the The candidates they should have the basic fundamental knowledge of the C, C++, and hardly they're looking for the Java. Mostly C, C++ earlier. Even Python was nobody was talking earlier when we were at the colleges. So now see every big company they are looking for the first train and the students should be trained, then we'll go for the hiring. So that's why whenever you are getting an opportunity, like just take an example of Volvo. Like Volvo, maybe in future they will go for the campus drive and all. So first, what they are doing is they are going for the your training round. I mean, first you have they are going to skill you. They will train you on the CHAS.NET platform. Then you will move to the like your next process. Maybe that we cannot assure you, but yeah, definitely that is happening in most of the company. In Ericsson also, like last year, they have trained and then they have gone for the placement process. But everywhere, like the companies are doing the same thing, same policy. And Cisco also see na. First you are getting the training, then you will go for the next hiring. So when the any company is declaring a plus training and all program, so you take positively a part of that kind of process. Remember this because nobody knows in future when they will conduct a drive and they will allow only the candidate those who are skilled on those areas, not the general student, right? So that opportunity don't miss it. I'll recommend you.
And sir, till when can I apply for a voucher?
For applying voucher, I mean, anytime. I mean, just you have to drop a mail. See, you have to write. It's just kind of undertaking kind of things like, dear sir, and I have completed this course on particular date. Just you have to mention, and kindly release the voucher for my CCNA 1 or 2 or 3, whatever for my global exams, and I'm looking forward for your positive response and all. And I will be responsible. You also have to mention in the mail. If I'll not give the exam, I'll be responsible to bear that. If university at any point of time it will charge you anything, so I'll be responsible to bear that amount. Just you have to write this message, and accordingly, I'll forward the same message to our management team and accordingly Netaka team, and they will release the voucher for you. And when the voucher will released, you have to positively you need to give the exam as soon as possible. So that
So
is
that
you.
we can opt for this voucher after the course completion, right?
Yes, without course completion that we cannot give the voucher na. Netacad team how they
Yes.
will, that is your first initiative. Like the first prerequisite is that you have to pass and complete the course. That your this exam like the course completion one. Then only we will proceed for your voucher. Okay, so let's go ahead, guys. Lots
Sir,
of this happen. Yeah, tell me.
one more question. Sir, Cisco will not be visiting the campus for placements next year, right?
Not registering for campus. I didn't get you your questions. Tell me again.
Sir, Cisco will not be visiting the campus, like on
No,
campus for
no,
placements.
see, the Cisco policy is a bit different. It's not for the KIT and or VIT or MIT or whatever top colleges. It is for all over the globe. Remember this. They recruit the first, their process is they recruit through the NetAcad. Remember the NetAcad, through. I mean, you can say that through NetAcad, they go through the ideation process. And one more thing is that, like I have told earlier, like they have the some policies and with the government, like wherever the Cisco company is established now in India, like they have the some government policies with the Cisco. Like when you are you have the some offices in India, so like under the government there are some IIT colleges. Okay, some now I can say that all IIT colleges, but they what they do they don't go for all IIT colleges. Cisco that directly they deny that first of all, like we don't visit in the colleges, any colleges, they don't go for the on campus. Okay, so what they do, they tell that you have to be first go through the NetAcad membership. I mean, you have to first go through that agreement with the NetAcad, right? So if this policy the university is following, then they will go for the hiring. I mean, like our university is one of the example, like KIT having that partnership with the NetAcad. Okay, along NetAcad is the Cisco company, Cisco part only. So Cisco, NetAcad, everything is same. So don't get confused. So NetAcad, first what they suggest, like first of all, you have to go with the partnership with the NetAcad. Once you have a partnership and when you will start enrolling the student and you are training the student and trainer, I mean, you can say that like they also provide that first, like earlier, I mean, not last 1 or 2 years, is 5 to 6 years ago, they have provided that the training to the trainer, and they have also told that the trainer, especially they need to the first pass that CCN exam, then only we will certify you as a trainer. Otherwise, we will not, allow you to train the student. So due to that things, earlier, before 5 to 6 years ago, when we were, trained by the Cisco, and at that point of time, they have asked us like, you have to first pass the exam. Then only we'll give you the credential to and the student you can enroll and you can give the training to the student. So in this process, we have also gone through the huge training program from the Cisco side. They were trained the trainer program they were providing. Okay, and then we have gone through the huge big training program. It's around 6 months, and then we have lots of practice. We did it. That's why we are suggesting so go through this and this. So we have gone through so many things. Then we have given the exam. Then when we have passed the exam, then they have allowed that credential to admin access and trainer instructor access. They have provided us, and also they have let us to train the student from the university side, and then they have gone for the partnership. So that was the criteria, right? If a trainer is not passing from the university, the CCN exam, so they will not give you the access to that particular organization. Even you will give lakhs of rupees, crores of rupees to the NetAcad, they will not have the partnership. Only they have the partnership where they have that what the trainer is certified in this condition. Otherwise, if you are having partnership and trainer is not certified, then the Cisco trainer will train those student, and for that there will be additional charges. As many student will enroll, accordingly they will charge. So that is another policies. So in our university, we are lucky, like in our university, we have gone through the training. We have lots of people did the practice and all, and we have passed the exam luckily. Okay, so due to that, like we are, I mean, training you on that all the instructor led courses, right? So in this situation, they have made that okay. So these colleges, those who are having that partnership with the NetAcad, so we will do the what that ideathon process. And before that, that name was different. Now from last 3 years, they have named that the campus hiring. That is not directly say that on campus hiring, but ideathon hiring, which is for the NetAcad membership institutions. On this case, they have allowed that the candidates, those who are from the partnership organizations of the NetAcad. So that's why you all people are the part of that. So it's they will not come to the college, but your process and everything will be very ideal way. Like you don't have to worry at all, because we are like how the companies used to visit the colleges and all. So nowadays you'll see that most of the companies looking forward through the online mode only. I mean the virtual process they are conducting everything, right? So you don't have to worry like where they'll come and you'll go for the off campus. I mean, sorry, in offline mode you'll interview and all. So everything will be here. It will be online mode and smoothly it will conducted. You don't have to worry at all. Okay. So that is the entire process. And another thing, like I have told you, for the IIT and all, I've given an example. So by force, the government, when they have told us that like you have to at least you have to select some of the IIT colleges and conduct that some on campus hiring. Whether you will take or not, that doesn't matter, but at least just do the things so that I mean at least IIT students should also know, like they have gone through so many things, like as you know that like very much they have like brilliant, and you can say that like they have worked hard to get that particular top IIT colleges, maybe IIT Kanpur, Bombay, Delhi, right? So for at least those students, those who are from the top 5 IIT colleges, you should visit. So for that case, Cisco sometime visit those colleges, top IIT colleges. Not all IIT colleges. Remember this. Even not NIT they visit. They visit only top 5. Probably some year 1 or 2 IIT, and rest of that they totally deny. They told that okay, you have to come from the NetAcad process only. So we will conduct it on that week. Okay, so you don't have to worry at all. It's on campus, off campus, doesn't matter. It's the more important thing is you are the NetAcad institution member or student, so you don't have to worry at all. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
one last question.
Yeah.
Sir, apart from Cisco, are there any companies that offer networking related profiles?
Yeah. So many companies like Ericsson also having networking related profile. Then we have a Capgemini. Then we have Tech Mahindra. There are so many companies are there. Like they are looking for the candidates those who are good in the networking area and some cyber security areas. Like cyber security areas also huge demand. Like nowadays, ethical hackers or those who are cyber security. Those if you have a knowledge of essential part, you are good in the configurations areas, like in the sense of like you have worked on the some tools like Qualish, Fortified, this type of tools you have used, or maybe Kali Linux you have used. So on those areas, if you have worked particular, you have a skill on those particular, there will be a more chances. And here
आज
just
से मुझे 10 से 6 बैठना है,
so see,
बोल रहे हैं.
just see. If there is a cases like you are good in the networking and then you are learning the cyber security, so 50% things that you will easily you can understand without even support of the trainer. You can understand the course 50% of things, because in the cyber security 50 to 60% all the networking things is there. Remember this. Only remaining 30 to 40% part only that there will be a particular related to the core cyber security things. So if you're good in the networking, you can work in the cyber security area very easily. You are seeing that now we are doing the hands-on cyber security essential lab. On there, everything is what related to networking only. All checking that the ports, that the protocols, whether they have captured, the sniffers have captures or not, FTP, TFT, Telnet, UDP, TCP, whatever the things that you have learned in the networking, and then when you are moving on the cybersecurity platform, those things are only there. So if you're good in networking, you can easily even work in the cybersecurity areas. If you're any company is coming for the cybersecurity domain, and there are huge, so many company will visit, like LTI Mindtree. They are working from the last so many years on the cybersecurity areas. L&T EduTech, these are also part of some branch of the LTI Mindtree. So those are also working for the cybersecurity area. There's so many companies are there. You can take a list, you can search in Google also, and just type that the companies who is working in this domain, like maybe networking, cybersecurity, or Python. The list of the company it will show you, or accordingly what you can do whenever the on-campus hiring is happening. So accordingly prepare it. For the interview, because the company who's having that particular domain, in their office, and they're working for those particular project. So in interview, they will also expect that the candidates should also have some basic knowledge on those areas. So in interview, immediately you can also be prior of that. If you could have practiced all those things, definitely you can answer better, and there will be a more chances to get selected. Right. Any other question?
सर एक क्वेश्चन था. हाँ सर, बोल रहा हूँ कि 29 के बाद हम कर सकते हैं वो वाला कोर्स का जो बाकी नोट्स वगैरह है.
हाँ, वो तो मैं तुम लोग का पूरा जून के एंड तक, जुलाई तक मैं एक्सेस दे दूंगा. जब तक तुम्हारा एग्जाम वगैरह खत्म नहीं होता, तब तक तो एक्सेस डेफिनेटली रहेगा. उसके बाद भी देखेंगे अगर बच्चे लोग का ऑन कैंपस में, तो ये सब चीजें बहुत यूज हो जाता है कि जरूरी नहीं है कि
हाँ
सारे
सर,
बच्चे
वो रहता तो अच्छा होता.
तो उसके लिए मैं बात करूंगा मैनेजमेंट से, और वो लोग अगर अलाउ कर देंगे तो हम लोग तुम लोग को प्रोवाइड कर देंगे. उसके लिए आगे के भी कंपनी में हेल्प करेगा ये सब सबसे.
ओके सर.
या
सर जो आइडिया था ना वो पूरा ऑनलाइन होगा ना प्रोसेस उसका?
हाँ, पूरा ऑनलाइन प्रोसेस है तुम लोग का, नो ऑफलाइन, एवरीथिंग विल बी ऑनलाइन. बट मेक श्योर दैट लाइक लास्ट ईयर सो मेनी trouble happen, like due to your internet connectivities. Some student has during the exam they have faced so many technical glitches and they could not be able to give the exam. So make sure that when you are giving the test now, online test, nobody should be coming in your room. Remember this. They are fully proctor based, and they will check it each and everything. I mean, in the sense of any sound is coming, any kind of anybody is near to that, if knocking on the door, that they will also mark, and maybe in between the exam will be stopped immediately. So make sure that you are totally isolated, and inform your roommates or any your family member if you are at home. So they should not disturb you on that point. Mobile, just make it silent, or better you don't keep it. Like initially when you'll do the login and all, they give you some OTP and all, so that you'll keep the mobile for the particular duration of time. After that, you can put mobile somewhere else, and mute everything. I mean, no sound, nothing should come, because afterwards, if you'll face these challenges and then you'll come to me, sir, this happened, that had happened, my fault. If this kind of thing excuses if you'll tell, then even I will also try to let you to give you another chance, but there will be very less possibilities. Remember this. In very drastic conditions, I mean, like some student like get the another chance. I mean, if even you are facing a technical challenge, so make sure that like in the coming week you will get the instruction and everything when they will go for the PPT. So listen everything and follow it. And there is a the link when they will share it. Now another thing is very crucial here, when they will go for the registration of the Ideathon. So make sure that which profile you are choosing it. That is very crucial here. If you choose the networking profile, so advanced networking in the sense of all CCNA, you have good knowledge on this. So the second level will be fully advanced networking. And if you choose the developer profile, make sure that you are good in the coding. In the Python, you are very strong. Or if you're using some other languages, but they will recommend you to go and do Python, because this year they have added the Python course. So due to that. So while registration, that is all depends upon your choice, like which profile you're going to choose. So just I mean, analyze yourself, like how much good you are in the networking. Like while giving the test only, you can get to know that, like you have given so many practice assessment tests, so many module tests, so many final assessment tests. I hope you could have analyze your score and understood that in which area you're good, right? So accordingly choose the profile. And one more thing, guys, another additional thing I wanted to tell you. I got a mail from the NetAcad, like they were looking for Cisco itself is providing, like I hope you know that some AICT intensive. I hope you all are aware of that, right? So Cisco has also, like government of India has pushed them, Cisco team, to conduct some training come intensive program in through the AICT. Okay. So they have also gone through this initiative, and they have also launched this program, AICT intensive program. And 31st May is the last date. Remember this. And they have shared me the detail. I will share with you guys, like you don't have to do any extra things. Only you have to do, just go for the registration, because course almost you all have completed, right? The same course you have to use. Okay. Let me share that screen, and then I will tell you what are the requirement is there. Just a minute. Am I audible?
Yes.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
सर बस एक ही डाउट था सर, जो सेल्फ पेस्ड कोर्स है वो भी 29 तक खत्म करना मैंडेटरी है क्या?
सेल्फ पेस्ड, हाँ, सारे कोर्स,
ओके
एवरीथिंग।
ओके ओके।
बट साइबर सिक्योरिटी एसेंशियल नहीं ना करना।
नहीं, वो ऑप्शनल है। ये देखो, तुम लोग का अभी मैं क्या डिस्कस कर रहा था, ये देखो तुम लोग के लिए एक एडिशनल एडवांटेजेस मिल सकता है। क्या है कि बेसिकली नेटएकेड मेंबर वाले इंस्टीट्यूशन को ना, उन लोगों ने एक साइबर सिक्योरिटी और नेटवर्किंग एरिया में, so you will see in 2025 the program will be focused on cyber security and networking. Okay, so they are giving an opportunity the student, those who are enrolled in the, already you guys are enrolled in this program. Okay, so you don't have to do any extra course, nothing. you have already, I mean, I hope many students has already completed cyber security and cyber security. Along with that, like if they could have added essential, then I will instruct you. Let me check that whether they have added an essential part or not. So just a minute. Just look at here. Under this, if you'll just for the student, this file is for, yeah. Yeah, so this is the internship.aict.india.org cisco.psv. That is the link. I will share you in the WhatsApp as well. And here, if you scroll down, this is the registration process, like on the AICT portal. How will do that? So that they have given, and accordingly, you can choose that the company, like on when you go for the registration, so there is a one windows will appear where you have to select that the company, in which company you are going to give that complete that registration, to which company list. So just see, can you see? Yeah, that's I supposed to show you. So our internship are as India's as just look at here, this one, yeah, Cisco internship by Cisco. Can you see here? This is the Cisco logo. So there you have to select. Okay. So that is the internship. Like they are giving it for the only NetAcad member institutions, and this internship for the only NetAcad enrolled student, not for the general student. So that's why we are not able to share with a common group of general student, because those students cannot participate in this. Only you people are eligible for this. So that's why I thought that I should pass this message to you all guys. You should just do the registration. You don't have to do any extra effort, because all those things are completed. The course completion certificate they required, and you will be having the certificate. Now you're doing the same thing, na? Cyber security certificate they required, CCNA certificate they required, only course completion. So all the certificates you are having, just you need to upload in this website. You'll get the additional certificate from the government of India. That is AICT certificate. So this is the additional advantage for you all people, those who are enrolled for this program. So I'll share this entire detail in your WhatsApp group today, and you all should participate in this. You'll get an additional certificate, and you can show to the your on-campus hiring and an off-campus wherever you go. Just show this. This is the one of the Cisco internship AICT certificate. So it's a totally fully or what you can say genuine, and from the government of India initiative, you can go for the government of India website of AICT and do the registrations, and accordingly choose the company Cisco. Make sure that you are choosing this one, because there are many companies that offer. IBM is also, just think of it how AICT internship values is there nowadays. Like even big brand company is they have collaborated with the government of India, and they have started providing this type of AICT internship. Like Cisco, IBM, many more companies. EduSkill, that you know that I think, because EduSkill many student has been enrolled and they are doing some internship already. They are participating. So their name is also there here. Oppo. There are so many companies that there. You have to choose this one, Cisco one. Okay, so I'll share this detail. You also participate in this. And whatever
Sir,
course will be required accordingly, and already you have enrolled, I think. Let me check any other extra courses. I don't think, because most of the courses that what they look for, let me check.
सर
Yes, tell me.
सर ये वाला सर ये हम इंटर्नशिप कर चुके हैं, उसका सर्टिफिकेट दिखा क्या?
सर्टिफिकेट मिल गया इसका, किया था तुम?
यस सर, सर सेकंड ईयर में किए थे सर, वही एक बार कंफर्म करना है।
अच्छा, वो तुम आया था मेरे पास एक बार मिलने, वही स्टूडेंट हो
यस
ना तुम?
यस
अच्छा
सर।
अच्छा। नहीं अच्छा है,
एक्चुअली
तो कर लिया तो उसको स्किप कर दो, जो कर लिया है उसको फिर से करने की जरूरत नहीं। जो
सर
लोग नहीं
इसमें
किए
दो
उनके लिए।
सर इसमें दो कोर्स होता है,
हाँ, ये
इंट्रोडक्शन
देखो,
टू
ये
पैकेट
मैं
ट्रेसर और
निकाला
वो।
हूँ।
यस
जस्ट वेट, जस्ट सी हियर, अभी मैं निकाला हूँ, देखो इंटर्नशिप फ्रेमवर्क, कैन यू सी ऑल ऑफ यू? माय स्क्रीन इज विजिबल, राइट?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just see it in the cyber security and internship pathway. You have to complete this introduction cyber security, that is the optional one जो कि तुम लोग कर चुके हो already, I think most of you. Getting started with the Cisco packet tracer, exploring networking with Cisco packet. ये तुम्हारा जो तुम लोग का ये है ना जो नेटाकेट का पोर्टल है, वहां पे ये ऑलरेडी कोर्स, ये सेल्फ पेस्ड कोर्स है। आई थिंक मेरे को एक बार चेक करना होगा, आई थिंक ये सेल्फ पेस्ड ही होगा, क्योंकि पैकेट ट्रेसर कोर्स ये सेल्फ पेस्ड है, ये तुम लोग को मिल जाएगा। उसके बाद जो साइबर सिक्योरिटी एसेंशियल क्रिटिकल थ्योरी, हाँ ये मैं तुम लोग को ऐड कर दूंगा सबको, क्योंकि साइबर सिक्योरिटी एसेंशियल मैंने हटा दिया था क्योंकि नेटाकेट में जरूरत नहीं था, तो मैं इसे ऐड कर दूंगा। अभी तो रजिस्ट्रेशन चल रहा है ना 31 मई तक, तुम लोग रजिस्टर कर दो। ये कोर्स मैं ऐड करूंगा 29 के बाद, क्योंकि अभी ऐड करने से बच्चों को कंफ्यूजन होगा, वो सोचेंगे कि ये भी हमारा नेटाकेट में ही जरूरत की चीजें है, आई मीन ये आइडियाथन के लिए है, लेकिन उसके लिए ये नहीं है। ये आपको अगर जो इंटरेस्टेड है इंटर्नशिप के लिए, उनके लिए ये है। तो ये कोर्सेस भी मैं ऐड करूंगा तुम लोग को आफ्टर 29, रिमेंबर दिस। बट बिफोर ऑफ दिस पार्ट इफ यू वांट, आई मीन यू शुड कंप्लीट इट। और तुम लोग अगर चाहते हो कि नहीं सर आइडियाथन के बाद ये सब करेंगे, तभी भी चलेगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, बट तुम लोग रजिस्ट्रेशन कर दो। रजिस्ट्रेशन कर दोगे तो बाद में भी करने से कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, इन लोग का डेडलाइन आगे भी एक्सटेंड होते रहता है, ठीक है, उसका प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। बट आपको रजिस्ट्रेशन कर देना है, क्योंकि उसका डेडलाइन फिक्स है, वो आगे पीछे नहीं होगा। फिर वो 31 मई तक है, तो वो 31 मई को क्लोज हो जाएगा। और फिर नेटवर्किंग में क्या है, नेटवर्किंग एसेंशियल है, ये मैं तुम लोग को ऐड कर दूंगा कोर्स। ये तुम लोग का सीसीएन है, तुम लोग कर रहे हो, लेकिन नेटवर्किंग एसेंशियल वो ये है, थोड़ा अलग कोर्स है, बट सिमिलर टू नेटवर्किंग। आई मीन जैसे हम लोग पैकेट ट्रेसर में चीजें कर रहे थे, थ्योरी तुम लोगों ने सीसीएन 1 2 3 का जो किया है, वो सेम चीज ही यहाँ पे रहेगा एसेंशियल में, बस थोड़ा बहुत प्रैक्टिकल वगैरह एक्स्ट्रा रह सकता है। फिर गेटिंग स्टार्टेड विद सिस्को पैकेट ट्रेसर एंड एक्सप्लोरिंग नेटवर्किंग विद सिस्को पैकेट ट्रेसर, तो ये दोनों चीज जो है मैं जो जो रिक्वायरमेंट है वो ऐड करूंगा। तो पहले फिलहाल जो है you all people should just go for the registration, and after that whatever courses that will be needed, I'll add you, you don't have to worry, okay? So I'll pass this information in your WhatsApp group as well. Now you can ask me, anybody is having any doubt.
I have applied in this program on 6th of May.
Okay, so that's great. I mean till 31st of May you can apply, the registration is going on. So if you have applied, that's great. And for the course access and all, if you require anything, any support, you can reach out to me or Devashri madam, will help you. Okay, so almost today's it's 8:16. I suppose to start your this third lab. I'll show you some step and remaining you will try from your side.
Sir, in the second lab, we couldn't send the mail to Sally.
Yeah, that's not an issue. That was the technical problem. I told you na, in the last lab, like there was some technical glitches, but I think you got a full score, right? Even you are not sending a mail, I mean, but still you got the full score, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
For the summer.
Yeah. So that is a technical glitches from their end. So it's not hampering the score. Okay, so this is the third lab. What I was discussing, I am I audible, guys? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just
Yes,
look
sir.
at here. This is third lab, and here, like what I was asking you initially, in this lab, what you have to do, there will be some file. Okay, you have to decrypt that file. So for that purpose, you have to go to one of the website. This is a third-party website. The Cisco they have given us. You need to reach out to this website, https and cipher.it. But this website is not responding. I mean, for decryptions, I have searched it yesterday, and there were just some technical issues on their websites, and they're not responding it. Like what's supposed to decrypt our file. Here it's supposed to get that, one of the windows, I mean, the pop-up windows where we will put that all those encrypted file here, and then we will proceed with the decryptions. But that things is not coming. So that's why I ask you, like, if anybody has tried with any other websites, so share the link in this chat, and other people can refer. Anyone has done? One guy is telling that. Yeah, you have done
Yes,
that,
sir.
right? Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir. I have shared the
we have shared the link. Very good. So all of you just refer to that link and save that also. This link is so important. Examanswers.net. Okay. Okay, so you got, okay, you directly you have not decrypted, you have got from here, right?
Yes, sir. In other websites, it was showing either wrong password or error decrypting.
Because sir, there are many decryption techniques, so we don't know which technique we have to use in this.
Yes, there are many decryption techniques are also there. Okay, so this is the things that the password what it should be. Okay. Just a minute. Okay. This is the link only, na? Someone else has sent some other link. I think they have sent direct messages or. Okay, so what you'll do, just see here, like in the first step, you just simply have to open that text editor from the Mary PC, which is located at healthcare at home branch, and there, you'll open that the file, and that file is of the file name is ftp login.txt. Okay, so simply you need to go to the healthcare at home, right, and open the Mary PC, and here it will go to our desktop. There is a text editor. Let's see here. And in the text editor, just open that the file. And see here, this is the file that you have to open. And under this file, there is a FTP, file transfer protocol login.txt file. So this file you have to open, and there is just some message has been given in this. I mean, there is just some code, or you can say that encrypted message is given. You can say that this is an encrypted message, and you need to decrypt this message. Okay, so just see Control C, and they have asked you to decrypt it at this website. Okay, this website, but this website is not responding. Okay, so due to that, I have asked you after decrypting, what you will get. Okay. So that was my question, and you guys, one of the student has got that like from the another website where they have instructed that what you will get after decrypting. So just look at here. There is some steps they have in uploaded. decrypt the contents of the client info.txt. So under this, what you'll get, just to go down, just with second part, I have opened the client info.txt. No, I have opened FTP info.txt, right? So you just scroll down. Where is the FTP files? Just check it. Get client was on Mary PC, right? This is the part 2. Part 1 is this Mary FTP text. Yeah, this is the password that you'll get after the click the white space. That was the steps that website were not working, right? Now click the decrypt file button, decrypt the password, just to decrypt it, the text and decrypt. Okay, so this is your username and password that you will get it after decrypting the file. Just look at there. So once you'll decrypt the file, you'll get that this is our the username and password is Cisco321. So this file which they have asked na to decrypt. Let me go ahead here. Yeah, this file. So you'll get an information like there is a username and password. So for that they have encrypted in this text so that the third party when they will capture our that particular protocol FTP. So still they will not get to know that what is the username and password that we have used and what messages that is sending from the sender to the receiver side, right? So that thing we could have checked. Right now, what you will do in this next step, they will ask you. Just look at here. Click the decipher button. This one you can skip because you are not going to the website. It's not responding. So you can skip this part section. Decryption password Mary FTP 123 to decrypt that file. What is the user and password for Mary FTP account? So that you'll get after decrypting the file. So username you'll get it like Mary FTP. I think just now I have shown you. This is your Mary is the username. So that answer you will get, and the password after decrypting you get it 321. So this is
So
your
means we
password.
do not need to perform the decryption. We just need to refer to this website for the.
Yes. That why I was telling you, na. So this website where you have to do the decryption, na. So that website is not responding. I mean, last year it was responding. I have checked that last year, and after decrypting we got this information like username is Mary and password the Cisco 321. We got it. But this year, I think there is some policies and all from this. This is a third-party website. It's a not NetAcad or Cisco website. It's a third-party website where they use some technique of decryption, encryption techniques. There you'll have to enter all the files, and accordingly they will ask you that what is your the pass key. If you enter the pass key, then they will. This is our pass key. So if you enter, then they will decrypt the file and they will tell you, okay, this is the information which is there in your the encrypted file. So that information is what they will tell you. The username is your this and password is this after decrypting. But this website is not working, so that's why we are referring to that particular link where we can get to know that what is our next things. Okay. So I have made drop a mail to the NetAcad team also for this day before yesterday regarding these issues. So if they will resolve, then you can start work decrypting from this website. And other third-party website I have checked it on there when I'm entering this password now because they are using like a different encryption techniques. Okay, algorithm they are using it. So on that basis, which algorithm they have used, they have not mentioned here in the description files. Yeah, encrypted file. They have not mentioned which algorithm they have used. So due to that reason, we are not able to actually decrypt actual files. So I'll show you here. Just suppose I want to decrypt that. So just I'm searching some third-party website like encryption, decryption online websites. Let it be uh, encrypt and decrypt text or string online. If you search like that, na, so they will ask you like what is your decrypted file or the messages, right? So there you have to enter their detail. Like see here. Like suppose you want to you want to decrypt that. So you have to paste that file. Like just now I have copied this file. How do you do that? I'll tell you the steps, but it will whether it will respond or not, that doesn't matter. We know that what is the actual things under it. So here just you have to paste that the file. The gap should not be there. So you can minimize all these things. Reduce that all the gaps. Right. Okay, so this is not taking right. And then we have to just decryption required a custom secret key. Just enable this checkbox and give the secret key. Let it be the secret key is given here in the instructions. That is our password. Mary FTP 123. This one just copy it. Just paste that. Just decrypt. But it will not be decrypted because this is the error while decrypting the text. Because that which decryption technique that we are using, that AES. Also, you can try this AES encryption if you want to encrypt any text. So that is not as specified. Okay, if you go for the other website also, here you can see there are many encryptions techniques. AES 128. OFB, ECB 192. There are so many techniques are there. In which technique they have used, that is not, we are not being notified. Okay, so that's why I recommend you you can refer to that directly, the solution part, like where we got that what is the actual messages inside the encrypted file. This one you can refer. Yep. And another is also client.txt. Also, there is a encryption part is mentioned. So for that, you have to go to the text editor, then open the document client.txt, right? And what will be the files? Which type of files is there? So encrypted form of a file will be there. That kind of question they may ask, and accordingly you need to answer. So you can refer to the next step to upload confidential data using FTP, and then you can refer to this Mary PC only, and just you have to go to the client.txt file and just check it which type of file is that. The same procedure you have to follow. Simply you have to go to here and just close this file. This is the file which is of ftp.txt one. But I need that. Let me go to first text editor. I need client.txt file. This file I need it. Okay, so I need to select this and just click OK. Just see. So which type of file is this? I mean, you want to decrypt, then again you have to do the same procedure. You have to go for the encipher.it website, which is not responding already. So you can skip this step, right? And you can directly you can jump to the next step. Maybe it will hamper some score and all, so you can ignore it. That's not an issue. It's not a fault of yours. It is a fault from their side, like the website is not responding. Similarly, you can move ahead with the other steps, like step 2. So you have to complete this today. You have taken all, I mean, entire my session time for your queries and all. So I'll tell you to you all should go ahead with all the parts, okay, and complete it. And then someday, like maybe tomorrow, I will upload 2 labs assignment in classroom, like this assignment, as well as once you'll complete the second lab. So both the labs score you need to upload it. So this one you can try from your side. If you face any issues, you can ask me in tomorrow class. Okay. Any other doubt? If you see here maybe you will not get full score, guys, because of their issues on their websites for a decryption part, right? So don't worry if you are not getting 86 out of 86. You'll get 70 or 60, then also it is fine. No problem. I can understand that your the issues due to their side is not from your fault. Okay.
Getting full score, sir.
Getting full score. Oh,
Yes.
superb. तब तो और अच्छा है फिर.
Yes, sir.
Then it's fine. No worry. I mean, you can go ahead with that. You can use that the same the link that guy has shared. Na, who has shared that link? What's your name? Okay, refer to that link. Okay, guys. Any other question if you have? So we will see you today. You don't have ma'am's class already. I have taken like around 1.5 to 2 hours. So we don't have sufficient time. Like ma'am will take into this session. So she will take your tomorrow class. Okay. So we will see you from tomorrow onwards.
Sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
सर वो आपने लास्ट दो क्लास में सर जो साइबर सिक्योरिटी और नेटवर्किंग का जो लैब्स करवाए थे सर वो कल मैंने अपलोड तो किया था बट वो फेल्ड दिखा रहा है तो सर मेरा मिसिंग हो रहा है वो असाइनमेंट.
तो मिसिंग डेडलाइन पार हो गया होगा इसलिए मिसिंग हो गया.
सर नहीं मतलब मैंने अपलोड किया था पर वो फेल हो गया तो मिसिंग दिखा रहा है वो. अच्छा पूरा अपलोड नहीं हुआ है सर वो फेल हो गया.
फिर कैसे हो गया? अभी डेडलाइन है क्या? बचा है या निकल गया?
सर नहीं वो कल का था सर मैंने कल कर दिया था बट वो फेल हो गया तो वो मिसिंग दिखा रहा है.
ठीक है.
अपलोड ही
मेल
फेल
कर
हो गया.
एक मेल डालो उसमें लिखो किस वजह से क्या हुआ तुम्हारा इशू और
ठीक
उसी
है
में अटैच करना है असाइनमेंट मेल में.
ठीक है सर.
ठीक है.
ओके सर. जी सर.
Okay guys, so we'll see you in the next class.